That didn't work very well. Side shot while driving. It's like when you do these videos, you've got to go to hiking school walking class. So that when you put the camera down and you have to walk towards the camera, you've got to give it the old, oh yeah, I'm looking around, I'm really interested. Yeah, walk away and then sprint back to the camera to pick it up. Yeah, I'm qualified. Well, I think I am. Just a cheeky little vlog today. The weather, supposedly, we've got a big storm coming. Yeah. I just felt like a weekend off, to be honest with you. So as we are doing a little bit of a van life vlog, one of the things I'm going to do now is I'm going to sort these alloys out. They're getting a little bit mucky. It's going to be hard to see on here, but the ladle filament here, if I could do this all on. See, it lights perfectly, but as soon as you let go, it goes out. So I need a new one of these little Schneider filaments. As you can tell, I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, the Schneider filament, we'll have to get one of those as well. How much? Suck me baby. Lemon fragrance. Vacuum and lemon fragrance. $1.50. Right, let's do this. $1 for 6 minutes. About $1.50. That's not very powerful, is it? Sweet baby Jesus. Oh, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I'm sure this will be fascinating for you watching this vlog. Oh, I'm dying to get on YouTube. I watch a man using a vacuum cleaner cleaning the inside of his van. It's fascinating content. Absolutely amazing. I'm never going to make it on YouTube, am I? Right, next. I think it's 35 psi. Oh god, is it 35? Well, I know we can go up to 50 on the full load. 35 seems like a good amount to me. As you can see here, I actually painted that on myself like a poser. It's come off a little bit there. So that's not actually part of the tyres. Yeah, this one feels a bit flat compared to others. And what I thought I might do on the blog at some point is I'll give you a little look at some of the items and gadgets that I use all the time. Now this Phoenix head torch, this is the 65 RT, which is really for trail running, but the reason that I got this is because it's got a really good battery life. We have flood and spot. It's mega bright and it's absolutely perfect for when you're getting out somewhere in the dales, the lakes or the peaks, whatever, and you're out in the middle of nowhere and there's no street lighting. Amaro, fast acting formula, we shall see. I think what I'll do is I might go jet wash the van first. That didn't work very well. There we go. Get all that bad boy on there. Get these alloys nice and clean at the car wash. And leave it on for 30 seconds. I don't recommend you breathe this in. Of course, a few of you have asked about the knife that I use, the hunting knife, and again, this is a buck knife, and I might actually do a full review on this as well. Obviously, we're not going to be walking around the streets with this. This is literally for when we get out into the middle of nowhere. We need to cut something down. Sometimes, you know, you might go out there and you find a sheep that's stuck in the fencing. Sometimes you have to cut the fencing in order to get the sheep out, etc. You want to cut some wood or some paracord. So I'll do a review on this knife as well at some point. Fascinating content at the car wash on the BOTG channel. This is what you're subscribed for. I know it is. To watch me cleaning my alloys. And people in cars stopping at the side of me going, what's he doing? What's he filming that for? Because that's like Christmas. Like Christmas. Yeah, it's not going to know until it's dry. Really are full of it mucky. Let's get the old brush on them. Yeah. Is this? It's the Huawei modem. I use this for internet for the laptop and my phone occasionally. But the thing is with this is that if you haven't got reception for your mobile phone, then you won't have it for this. It basically is just, it's got its own SIM card in there. I can't remember how much data, is it 16 gig a month for 12 quid, something like that, which you just won't get through. So it's, you know, you watch Netflix or use your laptop, do some emailing, blogging, whatever, when you're out in the middle of nowhere. As long as your phone's got reception, you've got reception as well. Please only use £1 coins. Alright, well that's that. You couldn't wash your car or your van when the sun's out, but it was raining when I started this. Yeah. Not much choice. Not much choice. Yes, I'm 50, shut up. Is I use this magnifying glass with a little light on it all the time if I want to get in there and really look at something, because occasionally when you end up buying a book, something like this, which is a great book by the way, Yorkshire Dales, sometimes when you get to some of the pages here, as I open it up, it makes it really hard to read. So yeah, I use a magnifying glass. There's a few other little bits I could probably show you, but we'll leave that. Well, there she is. She didn't come out too bad. Alloys are not that bad actually, using that stuff, although having said that, I can see here, look, still mucky, so probably gonna have to do it again and get in there with a cloth, but I think it's taken most of the crap off. Yeah, not that impressed, but anyway, that's that stuff. But barring that, the van's actually quite clean, and as I mentioned, oops, that's me washing the roof. Looks like Berkshire. Barring that, yeah, she looks alright. As again, don't wash your car in the sun, it's not the best idea, otherwise you get streaky bacon all over your windows. Yeah, anyway, that's just a little blog on the BOTG Vanlife channel. Lifestyle, adventure, you name it, we do it all. Incidentally, 5,000 subs is coming up soon, so if you've got any suggestions on what you think I should do to celebrate, I'm thinking of a Vanlife drive, a hike, a paddleboard, stay at a wild camp on an island, then come back. Well, it didn't actually do a very good job at the car wash, so I'm going to get in here with the old alloy brush. Oops. Well, there we go. They don't actually look that clean, even though they probably need a bit of a buff and a polish. I can't find my back to black, which really does make your wheels look a million times better. Well, there we go, pepper's all clean. This lack of back to black on the actual tyre walls really lets it down at the minute. Yeah, I've tried to blacken these up a little bit as they start to fade in the sun eventually. One thing I really don't like about this van are these, where the paint bubbles over the top. And they start to look really grimy and horrible after a while, and I've noticed a few other vans when you're going down the motorway, when you see another Citroen van or the Vauxhall, all the others, they're all pretty much the same when it comes to these bits. They're all broken and corroded. Apart from that, she's not looking too bad. This is why you don't wash your car in the sun. I've put a bit of black on those side walls as well, just to blacken them off. I think it makes it look a lot better. Now, one thing that I have had done on the van when I went in for the MOT, as you can see underneath here, didn't do the bumper in back to black, I ran out, is, where is it? There you go. This pipe here. That's the exhaust for the diesel heater, and I've had it completely rewired underneath because the last one was corroded and hanging off. And there's the spare wheel. I'm told it's an absolute nightmare trying to get that off, so I've had that re-piped underneath, and that includes a new exhaust as well. And the new exhaust is under, where is it? There it is. That's the intake, fresh air. So there we go, that's the end of the vlog. Nothing too interesting today, just a little pepper goodness, me going for a little drive, a little bit of content. I'm having a weekend off. Nobody watches my videos anyway. Tatty bye.